The world just witnessed something extraordinary. A vehicle that doesn't just transport you. It redefines what luxury mobility means. This is the 2026 BYD M9, China's boldest statement yet. A machine built to silence doubters, challenge Lexus, and push Tesla to rethink what family luxury feels like. Welcome to the future of the MPV segment. Elegant, electric, and engineered to impress. Design and exterior. The BYD M9 greets you with a commanding presence. Sleek LED light bars stretching across its sculpted face, futuristic pixel headlights, and a body that blends aerodynamic fluidity with bold muscle lines. Every edge, every curve is shaped by purpose. The drag coefficient? Just 0.24, a number that rivals even the most efficient sedans. Its flush door handles, hidden wipers, and floating roofline create a seamless, spaceship-like aesthetic. The front fascia is unmistakably BYD, confident yet sophisticated, giving the M9 an identity that whispers, yes, this is luxury, but smarter. Step closer, and you'll notice fine chrome detailing paired with satin finish accents. BYD's way of saying this isn't just another people carrier. It's a statement on wheels. Interior and cabin technology. Inside, the M9 feels like the lounge of a private jet. The cabin is wrapped in Napa leather, real wood veneers, and brushed aluminum inserts. But what truly sets it apart is BYD's new 360-degree ambient halo lighting system, dynamically changing hues based on your mood and driving style. In the center sits a rotating 17-inch 8K touchscreen, fully voice-controlled, paired with a secondary digital cluster for the driver and mini displays for each passenger. Yes, every passenger. Each seat offers massaging, heating, and cooling functions, while the rear recliners extend almost flat, turning the M9 into a rolling first-class suite. An AI-powered digital assistant recognizes voices individually and adjusts lighting, temperature, or seat position accordingly. And then there's sound. A 22-speaker Dynaudio 3D system creating immersive spatial acoustics that rival high-end home theaters. Powertrain and performance don't let the calm luxury fool you. Under that polished body lies BYD's latest E-Platform 4.0 architecture. The M9 offers dual-motor all-wheel drive, producing over 600 horsepower combined. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in under 4.5 seconds, shocking for an MPV weighing over 2.5 tons. But performance isn't just about speed, it's about control. The M9's adaptive air suspension and road-scanning LiDAR constantly adjust ride height and damping, ensuring absolute comfort even on uneven terrain. Powering it all is BYD's groundbreaking Blade Battery Plus, offering up to 420 miles, 700 kilometers of range, and 800-volt ultra-fast charging, meaning you can regain 60% charge in just 15 minutes. Efficiency meets excitement. That's the new BYD formula. Safety and autonomous features. BYD didn't stop at luxury and speed. It went all in on safety and intelligence. The M9 debuts BYD Pilot Pro 3.0, a semi-autonomous system powered by NVIDIA Drive Orin X chips, and a 30-sensor suite including LiDAR, radar, and surround cameras. It offers Level 3 autonomy, lane changes, overtaking, self-parking, and urban cruise. The car even learns, adapting to your driving behavior through machine learning updates. Inside, 10 airbags, reinforced battery protection, and thermal runaway prevention make the M9 one of the safest EVs ever built. Its safety engineering isn't just tested, it is torture tested in BYD's global proving grounds. Smart ecosystem and connectivity. The M9 isn't just a car, it's part of a smart living ecosystem. With BYD Cloud Link, your house, car, and smartphone all connect seamlessly. Want your home AC running before you arrive? The M9 tells it you're on your way. It also supports vehicle-to-load, V2L, and vehicle-to-home, V2H, tech, letting it power appliances or even serve as an emergency energy source. Think of it as a luxury EV and a mobile power plant combined. Market position and competition. BYD is clearly aiming high. The M9's dimensions rival the Mercedes-Benz EQV, but its price undercuts it dramatically. Expected around $75,000 to $85,000, nearly half the cost of its German rival. That means premium buyers now have an option that blends technology from the future with accessibility today. With Tesla still years away from launching a luxury van and Lexus focusing on hybrid powertrains, the M9 could own this segment before anyone else even catches up. Analysts are calling it the year Model S moment for MPVs, a bold shift that makes electric luxury family travel mainstream. Design philosophy and vision. BYD's head of design, Wolfgang Egger, formerly of Audi and Lamborghini, envisioned the M9 as a living space on wheels. He said, "The goal wasn't just to build a car, but to build serenity." The team used over 120 sound-insulating materials, achieving whisper-quiet interiors at highway speeds. The panoramic roof is electrochromic, shifting from clear to opaque with a single gesture. It is not just about getting somewhere, it is about transforming how you feel along the way. Global impact with BYD. Already the world's top EV producer by volume, the M9 symbolizes a major push into premium Western markets. Launches are confirmed for China, Europe, and select US regions by late 2026. Each station and service center will integrate solar-powered microgrids, reducing carbon footprint dramatically. This isn't just another luxury car. It's part of BYD's grand plan to electrify the planet. Imagine gliding silently through the night, your family asleep in complete comfort, the roads stretching endlessly ahead. No vibrations, no engine noise, just peace, technology, and movement. That's what the BYD M9 promises, a blend of luxury, innovation, and sustainability that brings the future of driving into the present moment. The 2026 BYD M9 isn't just redefining luxury. It's redefining what we expect from cars entirely. If this is what the future looks like, we're all in for an incredible ride. Dynaudio, forget to subscribe to Mototech Homes for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. Which feature impressed you the most? The tech, the design, or the comfort? Tell us in the comments below.